Take care of your life admin as well, because that's important, so that you're getting that out of the way. Okay, admin, family, education, work, your care, your health care, vehicle, home tasks, etc., etc. Check things like doing something new. Try being a student again. Listen to a podcast. Start a business. Take an online class on graphic design, maybe. Plan your outfits for the week. What you're going to wear for the week. Get them out of your wardrobe, for example, and put them in order, what you're going to wear for the week. Because I find that when I wear different things on certain days, it makes me feel really good. Like if I'm doing a webinar or something like that, then yes, I will dress up. Today's Sunday, so I'm in my relaxed clothes because I'm going to be going out for a walk. So this is why I'm dressed the way I am. I like to keep it real, okay? I'm a real person, okay? So I'm not full of makeup. This is my natural state. Write a to-do list for next week. What do you need to do? Who do you need to work on? What clients do you need to focus on for the week?